higher consciousness, every level of consciousness actually has lessons to learn, kind of karma to clear, knowledge to receive and integrate. And it also has a level of realization according to that level of consciousness. So, for an example, if you have opened your love, inner love, you come to realize that you are love. Actually, you are not these fears. You are not these insecurities. You are not, this pain and trauma that you've carried all your life in this body. You are not that, but you realize. A higher consciousness because you've accessed it, and it is realized by yourself. It is known that it exists. It is here. As we open up to higher consciousness, it's kind of our heart extends, opens up and stretches. It's the consciousness that expands into the unity consciousness. So this is where your identity, again, it shifts into a new reality where it is real for you that everything is connected already through energies. Everything is quite holistic. Everything is connected. This whole planet is already one consciousness. And for you, for that level of having access of that consciousness, again, comes like part and parcel, certain polishing to do, certain lessons to learn. And once it's complete, then you kind of move through another higher accessing of your consciousness, which in this case, it would be your presence. So life then gives you opportunity will give you certain circumstances in your life which are orchestrated in such a divine way that will support exactly that which you are working upon. So presence consciousness is basically realizing your being. Here is where this kind of dropping of your efforts, of the doingness into the beingness. You become much more relaxed, much more grounded. But also because your consciousness expands so much here from a planetary consciousness into a galactic consciousness. And that gives you access to explore the galaxies. So within the same path of self-realization, you're having access. They're like, I call them, they're like passports. Literally, these levels of consciousness within us gives us access to that, exactly, like literally. And that's again another level within you, exploring yourself, but also exploring, mainly through meditations, of course, and exploring what the knowledge of the universe, of the galaxy. And that knowledge, you receive it many times through downloads in your meditations, through your third eye, through the energies you receive. And then you take some time to decode the knowledge. Yeah, it takes some time to decode the knowledge. Maybe for some it comes through visions, images. For some it comes through senses, this exploration. And for some it might come through certain teachers or beings you're very close with. So everything is like, literally there is no mistake in anything that happens. If there is something challenging that happens, that too is supporting. It's exactly that supporting where you're at right now as well. So as you open the view, you really come to see that in a way there is nothing bad happening to you. Even if it seems the most challenging of experience, it's actually a gift. And of course, it might be quite hard sometimes to fully accept that it is a gift from a higher level that came to you in perfection. It came to you to exactly process those energies that are still realming around you. So it's actually a gift of life. And once you start accessing higher consciousness, your view shifts too, isn't it? Your view shifts too. You have a wider perspective. And actually from here, from your beingness, you start going deeper, integrating your beingness into non-duality. So there you go. Then it comes really about having this non-dual seeing, where something good or something bad or dislikes and likes, they're on the same page. They're on the same page. It's the same energy, but on a different opposing side. And from this accessing of non-dual reality, you're so much deeper, even more deeper in your beingness, that you take things much more lightly. You accept things much easier because it doesn't matter. It's okay. It's okay if there is this certain dislike. It's just as accepted, just as welcomed as the good vibes, good energies. But that's because of a deeper access of your consciousness.